Today, we're diving into some of the most overlooked areas in your home that desperately need a good clean. These are the small, often forgotten places that don't always shout for our attention, yet they hold onto dust and clutter, dimming the sparkle of our homes. Just as a tidy home brings a sense of calm and joy, a truly clean home goes beyond the surface to create a space that feels fresh and renewed. So, together, let's embark on a journey to bring light and joy to those forgotten corners. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell for more cleaning tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Think about how many times a day you touch your light switches, turning lights on in the morning, off at night, dimming them for cozy evenings. Each touch, while fleeting, can leave behind traces of dust and dirt. Over time, these smudges build up, dulling the shine of your light switches and impacting the overall cleanliness of your home. But fear not. Restoring their sparkle is simple. A gentle wipe with a microfiber cloth and a spritz of your favorite cleaning solution will make them gleam. Choose a natural disinfectant to infuse your home with a refreshing scent. Remember, a clean light switch is a small detail that makes a big difference. The remote control. A constant companion for movie nights, news updates, and our favorite shows. But let's be honest, when was the last time you cleaned yours? These frequently handled devices can become a haven for germs and bacteria without us even realizing it. As we relax and unwind, we might unknowingly be holding on to more than just the remote. To restore a sense of peace to your entertainment area, give your remotes a quick and easy clean. A disinfectant wipe, carefully gliding over the buttons and crevices, will do the trick. Let's create a space where we can truly relax, knowing our remotes are as clean as they are entertaining. Our appliances work tirelessly to keep our homes running smoothly. We rely on them daily, but how often do we think about what lies beneath? Dust bunnies gather in these hidden corners, crumbs from past meals settle under the stove, and grime builds up over time. These neglected spaces can not only harbor dirt, but also attract unwanted guests. Take a deep breath and let's conquer these hidden dirt zones. Carefully pull out your appliances, giving yourself space to work. A vacuum with a crevice attachment is your best friend here, capturing dust and debris with ease. Once vacuumed, a damp mop with a touch of cleaning solution will restore the floor's shine, leaving you with a sense of accomplishment in a truly clean kitchen. Our showers, a sanctuary for relaxation, a place to wash away the day's stress. But even in this haven of peace, unwelcome guests like mildew and mold can take hold. Shower curtains, constantly exposed to moisture, become a breeding ground for these unwelcome visitors. Over time, they can develop unsightly stains and an unpleasant musty odor, disrupting the tranquility of our oasis. But don't worry, restoring your shower's sparkle is easier than you think. Most shower curtains can be easily laundered with your regular laundry detergent. Add a cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle to combat mildew and leave your curtains smelling fresh and clean. For a touch of spa-like luxury, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the final rinse. Just like light switches, door handles are touched countless times throughout the day. We grasp them to enter and exit rooms, our hands transferring dirt, germs, and bacteria with each touch. Over time, these high-traffic surfaces can become breeding grounds for germs, especially in households with children. But creating a cleaner and healthier home is as simple as giving these often forgotten surfaces a quick clean. A disinfectant wipe is your secret weapon here. Choose one that's safe for your type of doorknob, whether it's sleek stainless steel or classic brass. Wipe down the entire surface, paying close attention to the areas where our hands frequently make contact. With each swipe, imagine wiping away germs and welcoming cleanliness into your home. Our baseboards often go unnoticed, quietly lining our walls and providing a finishing touch to our rooms. However, these unsung heroes of a clean home deserve our attention too. Dust and dirt have a knack for settling on their surfaces, creating a dull and sometimes even grimy appearance. But don't worry, restoring their sparkle is a simple task that can make a world of difference. A damp microfiber cloth is all you need. Run it along the length of your baseboards, capturing dust and debris with ease. For stubborn spots or built-up grime, add a drop of gentle cleaning solution to your cloth. As you clean, take a moment to appreciate these often overlooked details and the role they play in creating a truly clean and welcoming home. I hope these simple cleaning tips have inspired you to tackle those often overlooked areas in your own home. Remember, true cleanliness goes beyond the surface, bringing a sense of peace and joy to every corner. By giving attention to these small details, we create a home that sparkles with cleanliness and invites happiness into our lives. And just like tidying up, a little cleaning can go a long way in transforming our surroundings and uplifting our spirits. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.